We're gonna work. I don't know what it is. I had live thread running, which was for some reason like taking a shit ton of my GPU. Performance. I'm gonna leave this open here. What I wanted to do is make a new paint net, 1600 by 900. Zoom that at 100%, make it green. Then window capture, paint net. Come on. Need to be exact. Right, that's paint. And we add a filter. Chroma key, color key, there we go. So, I want to make a sketch. Yes, perfect. So, I have UI. So, let's just block off parts that are analogous. I can't really put anything here, right? Because that's where the radar etc. goes. I can't really put anything here because that's where that stuff goes. I can't put it here. Obviously I can't put it here, and then there will be like a top times thing here, which I guess I could put stuff there, right? But so what I'm thinking is what I think in teamwork I put it on the left. No, I put it in the top right, which I guess that works. But I feel like if I put it in the... Oh yeah, that's that stupid speedometer. I feel like if I put... Because... Yeah, let me just make that a bit thicker. I guess this is like... Right, that's like about the space you need for lines. So we need 10 spaces. Right. Yeah, the speedometer is kind of useless because it's like, oh, you're going like 300 miles per hour, and I'm like, huh? Alright, so I guess we do have room for that here. Then I guess we would want a tutorial somewhere. Where's my colors? Here. I guess like here we would just have instructions. And then yeah, we will want an arrow pointing, and I guess this would be 2 separate sections, one for each car. And I guess like we would want like a So we would have like tracks on the left and then tracks. I guess like what I would want is 2 headers. Or one for assigned tracks and cars, and then like a header for unassigned tracks and cars. Yeah. No. Yeah, okay. So this is where the tracks and cars goes. This is just an info dump, quick tutorial, and then like a title before, or if it's needed. That's gonna be, so yeah, I'll put it on the left. Plenty of room there. Chat, radar. Yeah. There we go. Back to back to the code. Oop. So we would want a list of tracks, a list of cars. Which we have. We haven't hard assigned cars to tracks. Because when we finish the setup, what it does is we never cleaned up this code, I think, but it's fine. What it does is it takes each track and then it finds which car is closest to it. And if that's a car from a different track, then that would ruin a lot. So what I would want to do is, I want to hard assign a car to a track. I suppose what I could do the lasering, like, yeah, I want to go car the track instead. This will just be the inverse, but yeah, I want to get element position of spawned cars. Which spawned cars? This one. Distance old, which is local, is very big. Chosen index is 0. Alright, so I have an idea. If a car is within a region, MTASA is within a region. Is inside radar area. Radar area is EH Games. EH Games. San Andreas. Okay, and I want to do a quick color. Quick color picker. Where did I put my colors? Here it is. Let's color this. Chatty. It's not chatty. It's paint. There we go. Which is 115, 138, 173. Chief. Yes. Alright, where's my code? Radar area is create a radar area start pos. Start pos is 150. Start pos other is 2850. Then size is 700 and that is also 700. Color is 115, 138, 173. Boom. Perfect. I guess I could have just set the alpha to 0, but it's fine. I'll set the alpha to like 27. And now I can check if the vehicle is in this radar area. Did I need to do that? I'm not sure. If is inside radar area. Also, I have to do one thing that I got reminded of. If get pet occupied, get vehicle occupant, get vehicle occupant MTASA, get vehicle occupant, yes, of hit. If that is not what am I trying to do actually? Because I'm gonna check a vehicle. Player is get is get local player get a vehicle occupant of the vehicle. If player is nil, then return and then we continue as normal. Yes, that should work. Perfect. And I also need to restore the random. Okay. I had to do that before I forget. Is inside radar area. Who? The car. Which area? The element, the car in radar area. Then not return break. Break is a thing? No? I want to continue. If not, oh well. That's super annoying. Continue is like the best thing. I just want to continue. If it's inside that radar area, that means that the car has not been assigned to anything by the player, so we can ignore it. 4J tur in pairs selected tracks. Boom. Do. And what do? We get a position. This thing. Please put an indentation. Thank you. Go to. I love go to. Distance new is this whole thingamajig. And then this. If distance new is distance, so I need to make sure that chosen index is in there still. Because we're assigning cars to tracks. Distance, Now we're assigning tracks to cars. We're assigning tracks to cars, but we want cars to be assigned to tracks. Yeah, J is the one we want. Yes. Table. Which item in the table? The track is which table? Sorted cars table. Is the model of the spawned cars of chosen index spawn cars in there. I feel I can just do car. Destroy element, spawned cars, not chosen index, this one. Is that going to fuck it up because I'm destroying a table entry while I'm looping through that table? I'll just move it outside of the for loop. Right, but if it is inside the radar area, I want to do something else. Namely, I guess we'll just mark a local unassigned cars. Boom. Unassigned cars. Is empty. No, unassigned cars. Table.insert unassigned cars car. Now we have a table of unassigned cars. Right. Then we're done with doing our check. And then we just need to assign our unassigned cars. For I is 1, max is 10, do, I think that's a for loop. If sorted cars India is nil, then we just plop the first thing of unassigned cars in there. Sorted cars India is unassigned cars, the first one. If I remove the first entry from, like, tables in this are so weird, and then table.remove unassigned cars and the first one, I think that should still shift, but then I'm doing the same thing here, so I have no idea if that will work or not. And then I want to loop through all the cars again. For ISC in pairs spawned cars do, and what do we want to do? Destroy the element. Destroy element SC and remove Yeah, we just want to destroy whatever. Well, that is gonna throw an error, but we won't know what the error is until we do the map. Alright, so let me assign something. Let me assign the Mr. Whoopi to... that's a lot of mountain tracks actually. To this one. Yep. And then the Sand King to... the one in Las Venturas? Yes. And then everything else I want to keep unassigned. Yep. Ah, whip. Line 31 is inside radar area. Expected radar... oh, for fuck's sake. Expected radar got number 580. Did I swap them around? Oh, that's not how it works. Okay, I can work with that. Radar area X1, Y1. Alright, let's take the ballista and assign it to... the base head one. I want to assign to the base head one. Here. Boom. Assign it to the yellow one in San Fierro. Yep. That's a perennial, I think. Oh boy. That is a lot of errors. $28. Get element position. I print spawned cars I. User data. I print car. Expected element at argument 1, but what did we get instead? User data. What is inside? What is inside spawned cars if not an element? I see. That might be better. That's better. All hail I print, O Lord and Savior. Set element model, that's fine. Oh, it's not fine, but I print sorted cars, India. No, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 8 was 555. Which car is 555? Windsor. That's the thing I'm driving. No, I'm spamming it 3 times and we're not. It's fine. Okay, that doesn't get called. So why does it assign the car I'm currently driving to the track? More importantly, where? Because this doesn't get called. So it must be happening here. Okay, well, unassigned cars doesn't get... um, Alright. Police. Polin. Skadronov, maybe? PLC? PLC. PLC. Book. PICM, PICM, Pick 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 MMF. Pick MMFP. Pick MMFP. Pick FPS. Pick Pick Mastermind. First person shooter. Sure. I think the car selection works though. At least if you don't assign anything. Pick FPS pony. Okay. Let's see what happens if we half assign stuff. I wanna take the blades and I wanna assign that to the quarry thing. Yep. And then I want to take the buffalo and assign that to something in LV, the brown one. This one. Blades to quarry, buffalo to the roof thing. And the rest is random. Looks good. 402, 536, 478. I could just read all of this. Let me check if 8 is actually the roof thing though. 457, 434, 579, so number 8. Next one should be blades. Yeah, okay. And it's the roof thing. So number 8 is the blade one then. Yes, blade. Let's finish this. Sick. Yeah, makes sense. Makes not sense. In line 17. Chief. Okay. Company. I think I'll make this global as well. That seems to work. Now I can get back to the UI. They should really be done at the start, I guess, and then turn that into something fixed, and then like and then just take care of that here. Whatever width 2 and height 2 might be. Ah, okay. What is the MTASA on script start? On the resource start. So like add event handler on a resource start. That's a server side event. I want the client side. Was there not like a client side, like on resource load or something? On client resource start, because it has a different name for some reason. Which resource roots. Function. And that's what did we want to do? Oh yeah, we want to get this. Can I not just put this here? And then here, I just want to do width is width times. That's ambiguous as fuck, isn't it? Screen width, screen height times screen width, and then height is height times screen height, and I want to do that for these. And then here I can just get rid of all this. Hey, it works! Okay. So now I just want to make 10 lines, I guess, one for each car. A buffalo, a banshee, a infernus, a energy 500, a freeway, RC cam, a vortex, a stinger, that's not a car in San Andreas, a fortune, and a Mercedes. Alright. Probably, but for now I just want to get the numbers. Yeah, it would be easier with a loop. I want a starting coordinate. So this is... I don't know what width, whatever is. We want to make it lower. We want to move it more to the sides. Center. No, we want to left align, I guess. Yeah, okay. For. How do I do a for loop? That's the issue. India is the lowest one. Comma through 10 do. And I think that's it. Plus I times... actually, no, I want to put it below, right? So it will be plus I times 0.05. Yeah, that's and then here we'll just and the index. Good idea, Ethan. Good idea. I mean, the idea is there. Smaller font size. That's going to look fucked up on other systems. This can be that. Getting there. So let's move that closer to the edge of the screen. I think it's that one. Yes. So that would need to show the track names and then like assigned cars. So I need room for the track names. I need rooms for a car, which I can just put next to the track name. Where do I put the unassigned cars? I guess below. In that case, I would want to move this slightly higher up. Maybe not that high. Yeah. And then like this, right? And then I want to do like 11 and then like unassigned cars. And then just make it a really big fucking list of vehicles that just doesn't end because there's so many. I could do with white space. 12. I could also do with some line flowing, for which we change this, which you can't even see at this point anymore. Not that one. Defaults, left and right. The password don't fit will be cut off. If set it true, the text will wrap to a new line. False, true. If aha, I see. False. Okay. Cute. I could probably just make the font smaller. Ooh, that looks good. Let me make that I would also want a title. Now that in the face of chat, let me make this a proper list. So, 10 cars: Banshee, Buffalo, Infernus, that's 3. What else? An Energy 500, a Phoenix, that is 5, a Stretch, a Monster, a Police. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A HPV 1000 and a what was that thing called? FBI truck. I mean, if that bleeds over the radar a little bit, I guess it wouldn't be bad. Oh, fits anyway. Maybe even you can see what you're typing, I guess. I guess I should. I mean, if I'm color coding that, I won't need that line break. 1. And then here we can make this 9.5. A little bit lower. 2.2. 2. Good enough. I hope the robot didn't customize his chat. Then we need to get the track names, which we have stored. Selected track names. And those Hollywood Hills. Where were we before? Get element data, and this is finally where we're going somewhere. Oh, isn't that lovely? Just T C C C T like that, I hope. Name. If let me dump that into a temporary variable first. Name, local name is this. If name is nil or name is empty or name is a space. I'm sure there's not a better way of doing that. Then name is get element ID. Get element ID. Get element ID of selected tracks India. No, or selected tracks track. Same here. Missing a bracket, 156. Then no, it's not that either. So how do I get this in this script? It is global. Jevel's gone, isn't he? Put Strategizer client before the other one and it should work. Yeah, I have that. Okay, it might be a different issue. Okay, never mind. It is an issue with the thing. The script I just wrote. I forgot I just wrote script. Where is it? I print a name. Oh, no, I don't want selected tracks, I want just tracks. All tracks. That's what I want. That's why it's not working. Oh wait, it did something. Oh, it's because the UI breaks before... Oh. Oh. Thanks, Evil. I can feel my body breaking. I can feel my body breaking. I can feel my body breaking. I could probably do a smaller font, to be honest. Is it this one? Oh, that is suddenly really small. Take all of me. It looks so ugly, like, you know, dealing with fractions, I guess. But okay, we have track names now. We wanted more information in that, right? Like how long each track is and stuff. Let me get rid of those iPrints first, because that's doing it in HUD as well. iPrint. Is get element data, get element position, start track, local x2, y2, z2 is get element position finishes track, get the difference, distance between 2 points. This one. Local distance is, and that is okay. I want that in string format though. Lua 2 string, is it like a 2 string? This apparently. Actually, get distance between points 3D. What's our game unit? Alright, so our X right now is 2674. Now it is 2668, that is a difference of 6. How long is a car in feet? The average length is around 4.5 meters. So it's roughly in meters. Is distance Wikipedia list of esoteric units of measurement. Hello there, böse Runkel. List of numerous units of measurement. Lengths. An L2, an attoparsec, a beard second, Jimmy Griffin's snow index, a Mickey, a Sheppy, a smoot, a wiffle. One meter in femtoparsec. In attoparsec. Is there something in between atto and femto? No. A state, a furlong? It is it is equal to 660 feet. I need something that is like roughly like 0.8 of a meter. I'm tempted to just go meters. I could also, you know, put some stupid like a like a kilomillimeter or something like that. I guess I'll just meters. I don't need, I can just do selected track names, boop, and I can just open brackets, put the distance in, close brackets, and then put selected track names, put name, and then yeah, like so. One Uber says, have you ever thought you again if you want to do a GTA San Andreas speedrun? I once again really bug on it. Yeah, I don't want every Christmas. I just haven't seen a speedrun of DJ from in a long time. I did one last Christmas. Oh boy, that needs some rounding. That needs rounding. Lua, a round. Simple round. Just math floor it, I guess. Math.floor. Boom. Actually, is rounding a thing? Just math.round? It's just math.floor. Boom. Yeah, I sometimes do hundo like in the summer or whatever, like when I feel like it, but recently not. I haven't had the time for it. Okay, let's go to that fucking obelisk, right? Because is this 163 meters? It could be. Like, how long do you guys estimate, like, this is? Actually, my essay hundo runs, I need to take like a day to just get my essay hundo runs on YouTube, because my essay hundo runs are longer than 12 hours, so like I can't just plop them directly onto YouTube. 600 meters? Well, let's go to Las Vegas. Yeah, on Google Maps, please. Find the strip. I've never looked for the strip in Las Vegas. I'm guessing it's this thing? Satellite. Oh, this Waldorf Astoria. Alright. Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas sign. That's an airport. Fountains. Oh, this looks like the casino across Caligula's. Alright. Western Royale. Fountains of Bellagio. And I'll find that fucking pyramid. Cool golf course. It's got like Luxor Hotel or something, right? Luxor Hotel? Oh, there it is. It's on the other side of the strip in this. Okay. How long is that? Measure. Measure distance. Total distance 300 meters. What about the pyramid itself? 185 meters. Okay, I'll buy it that that this is 163 meters. Okay. Let me go into Google Street View. Oh, that's big. I'm gonna go closer to the Sphinx. I wanna drive under the Sphinx. Alright, that fits about 3 cars. Yeah. Yeah. Huh. Alright. Yeah, 163 meters. Cool. I'll roll off meters. Okay. Back to the thing. Because we also want to bum 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 bum. Oh. Alright, that doesn't work. Call this. And just copy I 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 255. Ah! Stop. Ah! Stop. 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 Control Z. Two. Ah, I see. Oh. Oi. Okay. Let's try it again. Perfect. I see what's going wrong with that font. To work on those too. Nice commas. long wobble platform. Okay, so we have the track names. Now we just need to assign the cars. What was it I wanted to do? Oh yeah, I want to first fix if selected track names is 0, then return. And actually, I just want to write something else. Generating tracks and then return. Does that still those errors? Okay, good. Yes, now I want to assign cars. It doesn't even keep track of assigned cars, I think, until actually until something is selected. But I guess I have assigned car colors. Since we're getting like we're doing this like already anyway, right? What if I just dump that in a separate function? Function calculate car assignment. Yeah. And that just has this in it, and then I'm gotta be careful not to just insert stuff. Okay, gotta clear unassigned cars is empty, sorted cars is empty, start afresh. Calculate car assignment, and then this we also want to call it assign a car, right? Okay, and now we have sorted cars and unassigned cars. Just put that here for now. If unassigned cars is greater than 0, then and text is unassigned cars. Try. For I car in unassigned cars and pairs even pairs do get a name. Text is text MTSA gets a vehicle name. Get vehicle name from model, please. Get a vehicle name from model. Car. And we want. Okay. If I is equal to the count of unassigned cars is smaller rather, then what do? Text is text plus a fucking comma. Draw border text. What text? This text. New York City, living like a lord. I wonder how. To angels in heaven, New York City, but I can't think about that now. Baby boo. See you, Jivel. Thanks for hanging out. Hi, Prince. Car. No worries, Jivel. I hope whatever distracted you was good. An April Fool's event on a game you play, oh yeah, especially like those one-time events. I gotta take your time for that. No worries, man. I see. Hope so. Yeah. Have a good night, Zivel. Hello, Omega. It goes okay. There we go. I'll get rid of those eye prints. Watering banger. And if we assign a card, boom, 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 and then a road train. Here. What happens if we assign to multiple? Cool. What's on the agenda? UI. UI. I was in a UI creating. I've been dreading the UI because UI just isn't fun, but I felt like doing it today, so I'm actually kind of enjoying it. UI is like it passed me when I made teamwork and import expert race. Has already done the nasty part of the code. So really for me it's just now like copying in the values. So I'm not so much programming the UI as I am designing it. So it is actually quite fun. So I don't mind it too much. It's usually something I dread. The strip going north 16 meters, 1.6 kilometers rather. if sorted cars of India is not nil, then and then what do we take also I want to call calculated current assignments at the start somewhere. Car selection finish here. Okay, back to we want to text is this, text is text plus a dash plus this. Hello, Speedy Wolf. Calculate the Boolean value y33. I see. Oh. That didn't go well. Right, because sorted cards assigns cars to tracks already. Okay, I know what to do about math. Sort unassigned is false. If then return is false. There we go, and then we're going to find all of these on setup finished. True. Yes, 28. Is that not how it works? Can I just do this? Because that's gonna be false or nil. I'm gonna celebrate Easter by fixing a bicycle. or sort unassigned is nil. What's broken about your bicycle? Nice shadow. Ooh. Oof. Fans are a cheap replacement where I live though. So I'm just going to shit the bed, I think. It's a line runner for this one. Oh, I hope it's readable. You have to replace the entire tire. Oof. Error. Yeah. Because it doesn't consider multi-assigned tracks. So right, so if sorted cars chosen index is not nil, then we have a duplicate. If that track is already assigned, we want to get whichever is closer. So we want to first figure out what is assigned. which would be car. Bicycle, like my own bicycle, is like I don't spend a lot of money on it either. But yeah, after some point, like it will fail, and then I guess you might as well go for an upgrade. A sorted car is just a wow. Some distance. Let me just dump the stuff. Sorted cars distance chosen index is distance old. Okay. If the old distance, the distance that's already in there, is greater than what we're trying to put in there, then, and there's also going to be an else, if that is greater than what we're trying to put in there, we're not gonna do anything, we're just gonna dump, actually, yeah, we wanna table insert, what do we want to put in there? Sorted cars, chosen index. And then this, otherwise we want to put the car we're trying to put in there. Okay, let's see. I made it so it scales, but it might not scale 1-to-1. Do you have a screenshot, Speedyful? It should scale. Discord crashed. I guess I could just make a button to turn the UI off if it lags. Make it like DSX UI. Yes. We are indeed playing in 24 plus 20. 19 and a half. Not 20 and a half. 44 and a half hours from now. There we go. You literally can't read it at 4K. Okay, that is big. Alright, I see how that works. UI. I know why. Because the font size isn't scaling with the resolution. I can fix that. Lua, the extra text. Na 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 da 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 da. Size is screen width times size times 0.01. I just restart web. Okay, getting there. Half? This is so robust. My favorite UI in which game? Can you send me a screenshot of it, how it is now? My favorite UI in a game? Mass Effect 1? No, I'm assuming you are referring to a heads-up display. Not necessarily like menu AI. I really like from Octodad Deadly Sketch the the controls assignment screen, but UI. That is a good question. Yeah, just show me screenshots of 800 by 600. Can you send me another screenshot, Speedyfulf? I mean, I can set it to myself, but... Favorite UI, favorite UI, favorite UI. I mean, just something simple like Half-Life 2 is always good. I like the way Dead Space did it with like its health. It has no UI. Let's take a game that actually needs UI. I guess it's artistically, I really like the UI from Age of Empires 2, where the colors of it changes depending on it overlaps with shit. The colors of the UI change depending on the civilization and the style of it. I'm not sure if like layout wise I like Age of Empires 2's UI, but like stylistically, like it looks really good. It's a really good UI. Right. Yeah, fucking 800 by 600. I don't even know how to fix that. Walk the night. Gotta walk the night. GTA 5 UIs, yeah, GTA 5. Oof. I would want a minimum. Yeah, I see what. I might see what it does. Because let's open Paint again. We have the game. Paste that in Paint, yes. Let's open Paint. And then copy image. This is an 800 and 600. And if you copy this, you'll notice that chat is the same size regardless of the resolution, whereas I scale my thing according to the resolution. So, weapon wheels, ugh. So I guess what I would want is a fixed horizontal position instead. Yeah, this is why I hate UI, because of this shit. So it kills the minimap, but not the chat. Like, for fuck's sake. Fixed. Oh, chat disconnected. Lovely. Yeah, cool. OBS still running. Looks like it. Alright. Fixed it. I just put it over the chat. You can use the console to read chat in game, I guess. Oh, fucking UI. At least it's not as big and intrusive on your end anymore, so that's fine. Let's test the thing. Oops. Nothing is changing now. Well, Speedevolve is still able to connect to the server, so my internet isn't down, it's Twitch chat. Login verified and already connect. Thank you, Chatty. Okay, maybe just connect now, Chatty. Instead of in 120 seconds from now. There we go. So if I then... Oh, okay, well, that's nothing too serious, because my stream didn't die, I think, and my everything else didn't die. So if I assign this, then the jester should be returned to the thing. There we go. Trying to connect to IRC chat Twitch TV 6667. Oh, chatty, just... Oh, you have joined lots of. Good. Hello, Omega. Well, my PC has been shitting today, but I'll work on it later. I wanna, while I assign car, assign car, assign car, assign car, assign car. Two 8-4. If is inside radar area, then R is 255, G is 250, B is 255, R2 is 0, G2 is 0, B2 is 0. Otherwise, assign those colors. Okay, that isn't. Alright. Whatever. What was I going to do? Oh yeah, check. Assigning. Okay. And if I put it back here, it's unassigned. Nice. Alright, well, what I wanted to do actually is try putting the car before. That thing, and else, else, 36. 37. maybe like none. I have an iPrint in there. Alright, well we have UI. It's not the prettiest UI, but it's colorful. River field tucked in a corner. Oh, what I wanted to do is I know what I wanted to do. What I wanted to do. Current CP? Current CP. No, not that. Here's a thing that when I move, change car, change track, current track, current track. Current track is the one. Alright. If I is current track, then and text is text plus a big arrow, maybe just 3. Oh, that works. There. Oh, it has an arrow next to it. Arrow needs to be more obvious in my opinion. I like that. Also, if it starts, the UI remains. So if is set up, is false, then a return and whoop. Actually, yeah. Alright, let's just play around. Actually, first, okay. Oh, I make the UI white again. Okay, let's play around and then I'm gonna head off in a bit too. Alright. Nothing fast. Oh, hot ring razor. We're gonna put that on around Quarry and Greengrass College. Yes. Oh, look at that. It's so much better now. We also have a really short one. I guess I should flip these buttons around so that up actually goes up on that thing. I can do that real quick. And then I suppose like PCJ, RC Tiger, that already goes in the right direction. Alright. Yeah, now that button, like I press up to go up. Okay. We have a short one. But it goes all the way around. So this is the longest, so we're grabbing the fastest, which is the flash. Okay. East Beach to Big Building. We want something flexible for this. A quad bike. Mount Chiliad Final Ascent. Okay. Do we have anything short? None of this is short. I'm putting this here anyway. Which one is next shortest? 262. Final Ascent. Let's not pick the... Let's pick really 2 RC vehicles? Next shortest. This one, 283. Next shortest, 387, 314. Already assigned. 296. RC Tiger. Next shortest. This one we can use the Packer on. East Beach to Big Building. Oh, we have a forklift. A stratum. What to use the forklift on? 431, 459. Alright, sure. East Beach to Big Building. Alright, I'm ready too. Let's see. Hello, I sound stupid. What is he? A flower pot. Zoom. Ooh. Oh boy. Make me magnificent. Kill time, a bad argument. So you got teleported forwards. Alright, well, I guess we're looking at the big fat error. Big fat error. Arguments 336. Okay. If player failsafe timers of source is not nil, then end is nil. Guess we're playing again. Thank you for finding a bug for me. Don't know what caused it. Okay. Mount Chiliad's trees. This one gets the slowest. Oops. They're all the same length. Okay, let's assign fastest then, which would be Bayside Tunnel to Gant Bridge. Maybe the FCR? Let's assign the SCR on here for now and see if we can find. Which track? They have names now. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. I have a Sentinel and an Admiral. I think Sentinel slightly faster. Admiral handles better. I'll use this here, and then Admiral. Something that's steering. Okay. Anything off-road? You're not supposed to do that. But yeah, that works, and then you can go off-road. And then hop the thing. Yeah. Alright, the rest doesn't matter. I have Dune for the shortest, which would be this. And Mr. Whoopi has been assigned Fortune, Virgo Card, something not steering, I suppose. It's also not too slow. Yeah, sure. Okay. Something quick. Maybe not too quick. Virgo. Clock and Bell to East Beach. Can do with something. Yeah, and then the other one. There we go. Ready. Oop. Oh. Where are we going? And then, like at the start of each track, I want to show the name of the track on screen again somehow. But I'll do that later. Ooh. Also, the racing line fixed itself. It used to say like 50 kilometers and then only use the very bottom part. Doesn't have me on it though. So, I'm not sure what's up with it. Oh, now speed evolve is gone too. Oh, it's because he timed out. Oh, okay. Yeah, internet dropped. Alright, well, I wanted to end anyway, so people watching the VODs. I'll finish it off here. Actually, I do want to try a run, because now I saw that that broke. This thing has shit brakes. Nice. Oh. Reconnection successful. This time it was my internet that dropped. Guess we're dropping everything today. RAM, CPU, internet. Let's just go here. That's a cool alley. Nice. Let's alright, let's do one more and then I'm off. For Dragon's Arch. I don't really have anything fast. Glendale's kind of fast. Latena, this is just an off-road, we can use something slow. Maybe not this slow. Maybe it is slow. Something that climbs this thing, I guess. Six spin. Sick wrong turn. Looks like we glitched it again. Why? Like, we didn't even die that time. Why did it just teleport them forwards? That's what I don't get. Just gave us 2 checkpoints. Because I'm eye printing again. That just happens twice. It must be call shape hit. I print. Which one? Don't know. We'll see if it works. Shoestring, you shitheads. Start. Well, if a bug happens, let's play normally. If a bug happens, should show me information in there. Until then, I don't know what I'm looking for. Ready? Yeah. Hops. Sick. Could have been avoided if we could see the track name when we booted, because it's very obvious you have to go in there if you read the track name. I didn't go how it went in practice. I like how it puts me close to the top of the line now instead of like in the middle where I should be. I guess okay, it's just fucked up. This gets called twice, I think. Yes, I see what's wrong here. There is no source. Player checkpoints. Source got set, and then that fucked him up. And there's no source here. Actually, there is here. Player and a source. Yes. Get rid of this. Leave that in. Uncomment this. Alright, so let's do one more. Test if it works. Let's test if it works first. Switch to something fast for the first track. Yeah, this one. This one. Hopsa flotsa. Seems to work. Alright, let's do one more proper. I keep saying that, but then every time we do one proper I run into some sort of bug. Up, windy, windy, windy streets. Not with this thing. Ready. Oops. In before error. Good luck smashing through these. I guess I did it for you. Oh, attempt to concatenate a name. What did you do? Okay, I see what happened though. Name isn't a thing. So door. So this is it, right? Yes. So why did you run into that error in the first place? Lovely. Okay. Well. Well, I guess we're playing. I will do a playthrough without an error this time. What's the longest? Montchiller jump down. Back up beyond uphill. This goes all the way around. Actually, maybe this thing, and I put the voodoo here. I guess I don't really care about the rest. Have you watched the hunt down the... No, I haven't yet. So 1 hour 8 minutes, kinda long. Watched other stuff during dinner instead today. Also, hi Keegan Extreme Gaming. Time to add some names to the credits of Minecraft in the social resource. Oh yeah, new credits of course. I'll update them. Oh, did you run into a big fat error? Yes you did. Something mustn't be going right with the 353. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, he just overtook me again. I think I know what's going wrong though. 353. Player isn't even a fucking thing. Okay, this. Player in car. Player who hits the damn checkpoint. Okay, so I see another issue here. I'm setting his element data, but I'm never checking against it. Which means I guess that could start the transition twice. So if he's already transitioning, if get element data player strategizer.state is fade out. Yeah, let's just check. Fade out, already fade out, then return and boom. 2838, the original lists. Do you want to download it? Not now. Like, why do these auto updates always prompt you when you start the program? Like, they should prompt you when you close the program. But no program I know of does that. Now 2838 is in the list. At least in my current list. Alright, let's do a race. Linden Station to the Pink Swan. Mount Celia to the cabin. Richmond Tunnel, leave LS. I think we have to go straight. Because I was called to the cabin or something, I don't know. Zoom, zoom. Whoa. Oh. No errors. Yet. No errors. Oh yeah, I see what the selection is. Okay, I'm long on this time. Cool. Now that the UI is there, it definitely helps. I should probably also put the tutorial UI still in. But at least like the assignment UI is there. Alright. Checklists, to-do lists. MTA testing. Error message. If you die during your increase Z code of his make the finish more spectacular. See if we got we've done that. Killing yourself during fade out puts you back in control during the fade in again on both start and CP transition. Having a few longer tracks on hurts. More variety in track lengths. It's gonna be a tough one. Focus on making a few more longer tracks and even a few super short. Overall the code's client size is mostly now. Start the race, so I still need to start the race. Overall the SR doesn't steal, that is done. Fail safe, an unassigned button. HUT. tutorial list of controls at the bottom show what track is starting upon transitioning between CPs. Okay, hot. Probably not want to make if I do that no 2 seconds cooldown for returning to garage. Tutorial respawn during transition is broken again still. Yes. You get to keep your speed on a respawn. Hack. Just change the level transition to 3 seconds instead of 2. Maybe sort class tracks in some way. Won't do, probably. Yes. What else was it that I wanted to do? That's it for now. Alright. Well, I've squashed a few bugs. I've made some extra tracks. Tomorrow is Catane night, so we won't be doing this then. Saturday we're playing Among Us. So yeah. Sunday I'm playing games with my brother. Yeah, we won't be doing this again anytime soon. For now though, that was fun, and I've gotten the UI out of it. If I had known that the UI was just going to be plug and play pretty much, I wouldn't have dreaded it so much. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.